Best deals.
1. Egg boiler. Its transparent lid allows you to monitor your eggs during the cooking process. Accessories include a poaching tray for versatile cooking options and a measuring cup. With a 6-egg capacity for boiling, it can handle a variety of cooking styles, from soft and medium boiled eggs to perfectly 2 poached eggs. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Oil dispenser. The tight fit lid and stainless steel body protect oil from light and oxygen. Maintains oil freshness. Dripless nozzle for clean and controlled dispensing. No more messy spills. Wide mouth design for easy filling. No funnel needed. Crafted from durable, food-grade stainless steel, built to last for years of use. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Beverage dispenser. The silicone-sealed wooden lid keeps drinks fresh and protected from dust. Inbuilt thermometer displays temperature up to 50 degrees Celsius, no more guessing. Perfect for preparing safe warm drinks for kids or daily detox water. Serve everything from warm lemon water to chilled iced tea with confidence. Built tough for daily use, safe, stylish, and mom approved. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Knife cleaner. Ideal for compact storage and are perfect kitchen cutting boards for prepping vegetables, fruits efficiently. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Seed extractor. Its simplistic design helps in extracting all the seeds from the fruit without wastage. This product consists of a bowl to hold the seeds, a perforated filter grid to separate the seeds and a dome to hold the rind of the fruit. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Spin mop and bucket. Features 2 separate compartments to keep clean and dirty water apart, so you are always mopping with fresh, clean water. The 360 degrees rotating mop head easily cleans under furniture like sofas, tables. The square-shaped design is perfect for reaching hard to clean spots like wall edges and corners. Scrubs and cleans the mop head with every spin, no wringing or touching the dirt, making cleaning more hygienic and effortless. The compact bucket size makes it easy to move wherever you need. Sleek design to fit into closets or small storage areas. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Sandwich maker. Delivers quick and the non-stick coated heat plates ensure easy food release and hassle-free cleaning. The thermostatically controlled plates provide even heating for perfectly grilled sandwiches. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Biryani pot. Made from 3 mm thick aluminum material for healthier cooking and better heat conduction for faster cooking. Comes in 3.5 liters capacity and is compatible on gas stove. Ideal for making biryani and other gravies. The riveted cool touch handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. This cookware is non-toxic, scratch-resistant, durable, non-reactive and corrosion-proof. Comes with hard anodized lead to protect covering of food and also to reduce the cooking time. Strong, sturdy, stay cool reinforced fiberglass lifting handles. Strong, sturdy riveted stainless steel bracket. Ergonomic fiberglass, stays cool, comfortable to hold. Designed to make lifting heavy loads easy. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Oil dispenser. Lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for outdoor cooking or taking along for dinner parties. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Cabinet. Designed to withstand bathroom environments, including humidity and temperature variations. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Picnic basket. Comes equipped with a multi-purpose, trendy shopping big basket, complete with a convenient lid. Whether you are heading to the grocery store, farmer's market, or simply need a stylish storage solution, its spacious design and secure lid make it perfect for carrying groceries. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Box. Is made of food-grade material and high-quality stainless steel. Keeping in mind space issues, the Stiffen has a sleek design which easily fits in your lunch bag. Ecomi chutney box is perfect to carry chutney, snacks, pickle, curd, dry fruits. Box is best for school kids, college students and also for office use. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Coffee filters. Just hook the filter onto your cup and add hot water for a cafe quality pour over in under 3 minutes. Individually sealed 12 grams sachets keep the coffee fresh and are easy to pack for any adventure. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Vegetable stand. 4-tier steel rolling utility cart for storage and space saver of your home and kitchen, garage, pantry. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Pepper mill grinder. Design natural durable oak wood keep your favorite spices fresh and away from moisture and dust. Oaks add the additional extraordinary flavor of your spices. Simply twist the rotary steel screw cap on the top of the grinder. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Slow juicer. Uses low speed, 55 rpm, to squeeze fruits and vegetables ensuring no important fiber, vitamins and minerals are damaged from heat and processing. This kind of juice extraction prevents oxidation and help you get real tasting in natural juice. The small, space-saving design of the slow juicer helps you to save counter space in your kitchen without compromising on the end results, that is, nutrient-rich juices. Designed with a reverse motor action, mostly not found in conventional juicers. This feature helps clean any pulp blockages and also ensures a better extraction process. Only dry pulp is left behind and your nutrition-rich delicious juice is ready to consume. You can easily assemble and disassemble the machine for a thorough cleaning. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Toothbrush cover. The bright yellow banana-shaped toothbrush holder, with cute expressions, adds fun to your bathroom and is ideal for motivating children to brush their teeth. Dust-proof and breathable protection. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Ice Pops mold. Made of silicone material is soft, non-stick and easy to remove and can be washed with water and dishwasher liquid after each use. It is very comfortable to use next time. With this creative design, we can not only make delicious baby food supplements, but also make colorful ice cream, add more fun to our lives. Molds are very versatile, perfect for making mini ice cream. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Puttu maker. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this puttu maker resists rust and cracking, ensuring it remains durable and reliable for long-term use without losing its performance. Designed with stay-cool handles and knobs, this puttu maker provides safe and comfortable handling. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Titanic humidifier. Diffuser combines a room fragrance diffuser, humidifier, and soothing night light in one. Ideal for creating a relaxing environment in your home, bedroom. Designed to mimic the classic charm of a steam Titanic ship unique humidifier combines functionality with style. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Glass cleaner. Cleans the outside of your windows, while staying in your room, securely grips the glass, offering effortless cleaning. Works as a glass cleaner magnetic tool to wipe dirt, dust, and water stains with ease. Designed as window cleaning tools and glass window cleaning tools, this set doubles as a glass wiper for windows and mirror cleaner for home, office, or car use, provides a hassle-free window cleaning experience with sparkling results. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Coffee maker. Elevate your morning ritual with our French press coffee maker, designed to unlock deep flavors and rich aromas. Optimized for coarse grind coffee, the double filtration system ensures no coffee grounds in your cup, just smooth, bold perfection. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Chopping board. A perfect tool for cutting off vegetable and fruit without any finger cuts. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Cutting board. Features a stainless steel pull-out tray for easy collection and transfer of chopped ingredients, reducing kitchen mess and hassle. Eco-friendly wooden kitchen tool with natural resistance to stains, odors, and moisture. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Insulated lunch box. Keeps food hot up to 6 hours. The vacuum insulated double wall design retains heat, keeping your meals hot and fresh for hours without reheating. Includes an air vent knob for easy opening, anti-skid grip, and BPA-free lids, making it the perfect leak-proof lunch box for office or school. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Gardening Tool Kit is specially curated to bring you the best of plant care. Packaged in a portable, weatherproof and waterproof tool bag made with easy-to-clean fabric, this kit brings you ease of use and hassle-free plant care. Additionally, plant protection and growth supplements like the RTU Neem Guard and Seaweed Extract Spray also ensure all-round care for your precious plants. The tools in this gardening kit are made with strong and durable materials, with the metallic items being powder-coated for protection against rust and corrosion. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Lunch Box. Ideal for carrying a variety of meals like rice, curry, pasta, or sandwiches without spills or mixing. Leak-proof and airtight seal, keeps food fresh and secure during transport. Heat your meals easily and clean up effortlessly. Perfectly sized for school bags, office totes, or travel backpacks. Made from premium materials that are 100% safe, non-toxic, and hygienic for daily meals. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Cast Iron Kadhai offers a unique cooking experience without any artificial coating. Enjoy healthy, tasty, and crispy food effortlessly as this kadhai embraces the concept of natural non-stick without the need for additional coatings. With the ability to withstand high heat and retain it effectively. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Sprouting Kit. Made from high-quality, food-grade, BPA-free glass, safe for growing fresh and chemical-free sprouts. Includes a 1-liter sprout jar, BPA-free sprouting lathe, premium sprout seed pack, and a guide for easy sprouting at home. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Gas Stove. Equipped with high-quality 5th-generation solid brass burners, this gas stove delivers uniform heat distribution for faster cooking while consuming less gas. Designed for Indian cooking needs, it handles everything from high flame boiling to slow simmering. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Madhu Vada Maker. With this machine you can make vadas directly, don't have to keep batter on hand. Now you can make mendu vada with just a single press. Start your day with a healthy breakfast. It's easy to use and store in a compact place in any kitchen settings. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Casserole. Made from cast iron material with enamel-coated surface which enables fast heating and even heat distribution. Ideal for cooking meat, dal, vegetable-based curries, biryani, pulao. Built with 4-layer environment enamel coating and compliant with FDA, LFGB, and AIC standards. Free from PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, lead, cadmium, and harmful chemicals for healthier, worry-free meals. Locks in nutrition and preserves flavor, specially engineered to retain essential nutrients, minerals, and natural flavors while ensuring faster cooking and perfect sautéing. Rust-resistant, stain-proof and durable, tough enamel-coated cast iron resists rust, stains, and high heat daily use while maintaining a stunning finish for years. Superior heat retention and even cooking ensures consistent heat distribution with no cold spots, delivering flawless results for biryanis, curries, stews, dosas, or pancakes. No seasoning cast iron convenience. Enjoy all the benefits of cast iron without the hassle of seasoning or complicated upkeep. Ergonomic. Compatible with induction, gas, ceramic, and electric cooktops, and oven safe up to 260 degrees Celsius for limitless cooking possibilities. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Ironing Board. For a start, it folds neatly in half and comes with its own hanging hook that can be mounted onto a wall or door, making it really compact and easy to store. It also features a special compartment for storing your iron, which saves valuable space elsewhere and keeps everything you need. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Peeler. Designed for compact kitchens, Both vegetable peelers fit together for space-saving storage. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Containers. Crafted from premium-grade stainless steel, the Masala Box for Kitchen is a durable and corrosion-resistant solution for your spice storage needs. Stainless steel masala box with 130 ml each container features a see-through lid for easy identification of spices, ensuring you have the perfect masala dabba for your kitchen endeavors. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Organizer. The durable and premium material make this storage basket last a good long time. Basket is large enough to store clothes, kid toys, books, magazines. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Mocha pot. This iconic coffee maker works on a stovetop to make espresso-like Italian coffee from the comfort of your kitchen. The design inspired from Italy and from Pedrini, Italy. Features the infinity design to make the mocha pot elegant and luxurious as per Italina standards. The model is available in different sizes and colors. 3 cup 90 ml, 6 cup 150 ml. A thin line, clearly visible on the boiler and lid, traces a mark whose optical effect creates an almost infinite movement. The circular pattern is made even more visible by the shine of the aluminum, contrasting with the high temperature resistant, HT, glitter effect paint body, which gives the mocha a perfect shape. Handle resistant up to 210 degrees Celsius, food grade silicone gasket, food grade aluminium. Works perfectly with ground coffee and is available in various sizes and colors, modern, dynamically attractive to aesthetics which do not want to renounce practical use but make the kitchen the pulsing heart of the home. Product link is given in the 37th link.